right behind the body wall in the back. Pararenal fat, not on the model, but it would be a layer of fat that covers this. The renal capsule is a starker shell on the outside. The hilus is the area where everything's going in and out of the kidney. Cortex is this outer layer out here, and the medulla would be the inside part. In the medulla are the pyramids. They look like the little pink triangles. And the papillae are the points of the pyramids. From the papillae, you have these little tubes. These are the minor calyces, these little ones. When they join together, then it's a major calyx. And then they join into the renal pelvis, which goes out through the hilus and down into the ureter. Cortical nephrons, we don't have a nice model of cortical nephrons, but their loop of Henle stays in the cortex. And the juxtamedullary nephrons, their loop goes down into the medulla. For the nephron, starting here, this whole thing would be a nephron, there's a nephron, there's a nephron, and then this is one blown up, and then here they are really tiny over here. So this is like the small scale, this is a little bit bigger, and this is really big. For the glomerulus, everywhere you see one of these little red balls, that represents a glomerulus, like that. Here you can see the difference between the glomerulus, which is a network of capillaries with the Bowman's capsule surrounding it. Leaving from the glomerulus, you have the proximal convoluted tubule. That goes down into the descending limb of the loop of Henle, ascending limb of the loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, collecting duct, and then papillary duct. Papillary duct isn't on the list, but it goes down through the papillae of the pyramids and then into the minor calyx. Let's see, if you look at this one again, this is the afferent arteriole going into the glomerulus. Here's the efferent arteriole going out. For the blood vessels, renal arteries going in through the hilus, split into the segmental artery. The interlobar are between the pyramids. The arcuate are right here. They make these kind of arcs that separate the medulla from the cortex. On this one, it would be this artery right here. So this would be the cortex, that would be the medulla. The interlobular are the little ones going out through the cortex. And on this one, it would be that. Let's see, where am I? The veins are exactly the same as the arteries, just blue. So they have the same name. And we need a different model for the juxtaglomerular reference.